Today we are going to discuss the other topic called self-balanced binary search tree. Here BST stands for binary search tree. So now let us consider why the BST required balanced, or what is so important about the binary search tree to be balanced. So the topic is about the importance of being balanced. Now you recall in binary search tree all the operations, specifically the insert procedure and then delete procedure and then find min and then find max and then predecessor and then predecessor and then successor. Okay, predecessor and then successor and then find min, find max, all the operation or the height of the binary search tree, all operation dependent on the height of the binary search tree. So the complexity of all the operations that we have seen is dependent on big O of h, where h is nothing but the height of a binary search tree. Okay, but the best possible height that is possible is every level the node is completely filled. Okay, this is best possible binary search tree that one could construct this, but the worst possible binary search tree is of something like this. So this is best BST and this is considered as a worst BST. So the height of the binary search tree is not always guaranteed to be a tree of kind something like this. This is also called as perfect balance. Perfect balance, and this is the worst case or worst tree. You can say that left this is a right skew tree. This is the worst part of the binary search tree. So since the height of the binary search tree, or you can say that since all the operations of the binary search tree depends on the height of the tree, the height of the tree varies between the log n, okay, where n is nothing but the number of nodes, between the log n to order of n. Order of n is nothing but the right skew tree or left skew tree. So if we want all the operations to be done in logarithmic of n, we want the binary search tree of something like this, which is nothing but the perfectly balanced, right? And we don't want to have a binary search tree which is of this in nature. So we are trying to get rid of this kind of tree while we try to insert or modify something in the BST, and we want always a tree to be perfectly balanced. Why? Because all the operation dependent on the height of the tree. So this is, so that's what binary search tree is so important to be considered balanced with respect to the height. So this is about the importance of being balanced in the binary search tree. Now let us consider the definition. Let us define the self-balanced binary search tree. Self-balanced binary search tree is also called as height-balanced binary search tree. So take this definition. The definition is height or self-balanced binary search tree. According to this, a BST binary search tree is said to be a height or self-balanced binary search tree if all nodes have a balance factor of 1, 0, minus 1. Okay. So the simple definition is that balance factor, the difference between the left subtree and the right subtree can differ at most 1, or the difference between the left subtree and the right subtree is not more than 1. That is called the balance factor. Here it is defined as HL minus HR, take the absolute value less than or equal to 1 for all node X in BST. Okay. Now